How to convert any image format to PDF format. Try SysTools Image to PDF Converter software. Let's discuss key features. Effortless image to PDF conversion. It converts multiple images to single or multiple PDF files in bulk with instant previews in the GUI and no need for Adobe Acrobat. Customizable output settings. You can adjust page size, margins, orientation, and apply passwords or restrictions for enhanced document security. Quality assurance. Directly print images without compromising quality, ensuring professional results every time. User-friendly storage options. Choose specific destination paths for storing output files, streamlining organization and accessibility. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Image to PDF Converter software. Now click on the first link. Then click on the Download button. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the interface of the SysTools Image to PDF Converter software. In the top left corner, the first option is Add, which allows users to import their images. The software supports a wide range of image formats including JPG, GIF, JFIF, PNG, BMP, ICO, Icon, TIFF, EMF, EXIF, WMF, Memory BMP, CCITT, TGA, PCX, WebP, TXT, Base64, HEIC, and more. On the right-hand side, the first option is Add File. This lets users import single or multiple image files. Below that is the Add Folder option, which enables importing entire folders containing image files, a useful feature for handling large datasets. For this demonstration, we'll select the Add File option, as we only have a few files to convert. If you have a larger dataset, you can choose the Add Folder option instead. Click on Add File button. Select the image files and click on the Open button. Once the images are imported, additional options will appear. The Remove option allows you to remove a single image file from the selection. Similarly, the Remove All option clears all selected files at once. The Move Up option shifts a selected file upward in the list, while Move Down moves it downward. This helps prioritize the order of files, deciding which one will be exported first or last. Under the Destination Paths section, first is Convert. Choosing Convert will convert the selected image files, while the Print option lets you print them directly. For the tutorial, we'll select the Convert option. Here, you can see the destination path where the converted files will be saved. By default, the files are exported to the desktop. You can change this location by clicking the Change button, but for now we'll keep it as default. Finally, click on the Next button to proceed. This is the Preview panel, where users can view their images before exporting. They can navigate through the images using these button controls. Click Next to access the Settings panel. Under the Export Format section, users can export their images to various formats such as PDF, DOC, DOCX, HTML, text, Base64, JPG, PNG, APNG, BMP, WebP, GIF, TIFF, HEIC, and more. For this tutorial, we'll choose PDF, but users can select other formats if needed. In the PDF settings, the first option, Create PDF for each image, generates a separate PDF for each image. The second option, Create Single PDF for all images, combines all images into one PDF file. The third option, Number of images for a single page, allows users to combine multiple images into one page within a PDF. Next, the PDF Security Settings section. The Add Document Open User Password option secures the exported PDF with a password for added protection. Simply type the password and it will apply to the file. The Add Restriction on PDF option prevents unauthorized editing or modification by restricting read and write access to the exported file. In the PDF Page Layout settings, the Margin setting allows users to adjust the margins for their images. The Paper Orientation option lets users choose between portrait or landscape mode. The page size setting offers various size options, including A4, A3, letter, and more. Once all the settings are configured, we're ready to convert the images to a PDF. Simply click the Convert button to begin the process. A message window will appear, indicating that the conversion was successful. Click OK to proceed. The summary panel displays the total number of files processed, the count of successfully converted files, and any failed conversions. Below that, the destination path for the exported files is shown. Clicking on the destination path will open the folder containing the converted files. Go ahead and click on it. Now let's open the PDF to check. Let's also open other PDF files. And that's how you can easily convert images to PDF format using the SysTools Image to PDF converter software.
Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.